Are you tired of the 9 to 5 grind? Wondering how the rich keep getting richer while you're stuck in the same place? What if I told you there's a proven formula to build wealth faster than you ever imagined? Stick around, because these 5 income streams will change your life, but only if you're ready to take action. Let's face it, relying on just one income stream is like trying to build a mansion with a single brick. It's time to build the foundation that will last for generations. First, up passive income. You've heard the phrase before, but how many of us are actually earning while we sleep? Real estate, dividend stocks, or even peer-to-peer lending? These investments could be your ticket out of that rat race. Imagine waking up to your bank account growing without lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. It's the power of passive income. But there's a catch, and we'll dive deeper into that soon. Now, while making money while you sleep is the dream, sometimes you've got to hustle a little. Let's talk about what comes next. Side hustles are your golden ticket to freedom. Whether it's freelancing, launching an e-commerce store, or turning your passion into a paycheck, side hustles allow you to level up your income without quitting your day job. But here's the truth. Not all hustles are created equal. Some take time to build. Others need serious strategy. Do you have what it takes? Building wealth is no easy feat, but you're not here for an easy life. You're here to create something monumental. Next, leveraging your skills is a game changer. Think about it. You have unique talents, whether it's graphic design, copywriting, or consulting, that can be monetized at scale. You don't need to wait for the perfect opportunity. You create it. The real question is, are you actively selling your skills, or are you letting them gather dust? Now, you've got your hustle, your skill set, and your vision. But what about making money automatically on autopilot? Here's how. Digital products and online courses are a goldmine. Once created, they can be sold over and over with minimal effort. Picture this. You put in the work to create a course on something you're an expert in, and then watch as it generates income while you enjoy your free time. It's the ultimate passive income. But do you have the expertise or the confidence to get started? And now, for the final income stream that will supercharge everything you've learned so far. Building a personal brand or growing your influence online is an underrated but powerful wealth-building strategy. It's not just about fame. It's about creating trust and authority. Imagine being the go-to expert in your niche, earning money from sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and your own product sales. The real question is, do you have the guts to step into the spotlight and build your empire? So, what's stopping you? You've got all the tools to build the wealth you've always dreamed of. Don't let fear or doubt hold you back from achieving greatness. The clock is ticking, and every second you wait is a second you'll never get back. Ready to start building your future? Hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on the next step in your journey to wealth. The time to act is now.